94,000 views on one TikTok video? What? Hey everyone, how's it going? My name is Jen Sargeant. I'm the creator of Digital Sargeant, and I'm so happy you found this video. If you found this video, that means you want to learn more about local business marketing, and I'm the girl to help you do just that. Before we get started in today's video, I kindly ask that you subscribe to my channel so when I post new content all about local business marketing, you'll be the first to know and you'll be the first to implement it. Let's talk about some stats regarding my TikTok videos. Now, I'm using my phone to make this YouTube video, so I have everything written down on this paper. So the video that has the most views has, at this moment, 94,000 views and literally climbing. Like, this video, it has gotten so much traction and continues to get like waves of views and engagement. And it has 30 comments and 4,000 likes. Now, this video is of my dog Jax and a Google 3D animal of a cheetah. So a few weeks ago, Google launched Google 3D Animals, where you can pick an animal and then upload it, or open your camera rather, and the animal shows up like on your camera and it looks like it's where you're pointing your camera. So for me, when I uploaded this video, we were sitting outside on our porch, so when I chose the cheetah, it was like the cheetah was sitting right next to the dog. And it looks super, super, super real, and this video is performing really well. And it's really cool because it's still on brand for me. It's still talking about a Google product, it's my dog, and it's me. So that ended up working really well. Another video that performed really well has 18,000 views, 61 comments, and 1,000 likes. And this is a video that I talk about a book that I just finished listening to called Never Split the Difference and Negotiate Like Your Life Depends on It. And this book is written by Chris Voss. He's the FBI's top hostage negotiator. Hands down, you should listen to it or read it. But I chose to do a TikTok about this video, or about this book, because I really enjoyed all the material and I thought it could be a book that other people would be interested in listening to or reading to as well. And that video, like I said, it had 18,000 views, 61 comments, 1,000 likes, and somebody even did a duet with me regarding that book, so that's kind of cool. And the last video that I'll talk about had 14,000 views, 31 comments, and 1,000 likes. And this video was just me walking in a parking garage. I literally just opened my phone and started talking about Google My Business. And again, that's something that is very on brand for me. And in the last 28 days, in the last 28 days, I've had 113 views on my videos. So like in general, 113,000 views on my videos. I've had in the last 28 days, 1,000 views to my profile, and I average between 7 and 15 new followers every single day. And you may be thinking, these stats are like okay, but it's nothing impressive. But you have to remember, I'm just talking about digital marketing. I'm not singing, I'm not lip syncing, I'm not posting anything crazy or pranks or anything like that. I'm literally just sticking to the topic of digital marketing. So if I can grow on TikTok for digital marketing, then you and your local business can grow as well. The thing to remember with TikTok and a lot of other social media platforms is that the hashtags are one of the best ways to get found. So if you're a local business, then you're going to want to focus on geo hashtags on your videos. For example, if I were a real estate agent serving Claremont, Florida, or like the greater Central Florida area, I'd be using hashtags Claremont FL, Claremont, Florida, Lake County FL, Lake County, Florida, and then talking about other cities around me that I have a little bit more views on those hashtags. And then I may sprinkle in a really broad hashtag like real estate marketing, things like that. But what I really want to narrow and focus on is finding people in my backyard using those hashtags that are also viewing those hashtags, so I can grow and meet new people using those hashtags. You can also upgrade your profile to be a brand profile or a creator profile, so that way you get analytics in your account, and the analytics will really help guide you to when is the best time to post, what your audience is listening to, what they're posting, and things of that nature. And that's how I got all of these stats using TikTok analytics. So now, what are some posting strategies, or what are some things that local businesses can post about? And I'm going to bring it right back to the basics, because I think this is a really good time to begin that when you're starting a new profile. And TikTok is still relatively new, and you can still be a new adapter even though there are a handful of people on it. It is still a good time to be a new adapter on TikTok. So I always suggest to bring it back to the basics, talk about why you started your business, some family history behind it, talk about the services that you serve or the areas that you service, and then kind of broad out a little bit more about, you know, the people that you're serving, and the services that you have to offer on greater scale or in different formats. Something that I've noticed that works really well and that helps me a lot is that I will create content within the TikTok app and then just save them as drafts. So after I record this video for YouTube, I'll literally go into TikTok, open the app, and start talking about what I just posted on YouTube, and then slice it, dice it a couple different ways and save it as a draft, so that way whenever I want to post 3 times a day, I already have all this material that I can choose from, and it's not like oversaturated and makes me feel like overwhelmed. If you're wondering if you should be using TikTok for your local business, the answer is yes, absolutely. If you would have asked me this a year ago, I probably would have been like, meh, I mean, it can't hurt, but I wouldn't maybe focus your time on it. But now things have changed so much. So I downloaded TikTok in about last year, about October or November, and I downloaded TikTok because Gary Vee, so thanks Gary, kept on talking about it, and finally I was like, let me learn this program. So I initially downloaded TikTok to learn about the platform, to see what people were posting, and to really understand the micro storytelling element that was happening on TikTok. I wanted to learn how to use the platform, so I initially just uploaded content about digital marketing and about my dogs, which is what I still do, but I just literally like opened my phone and just started talking. I didn't really have a plan in mind. And I started to see a lot of people engaging and viewing and interacting with my material, and I thought, wait a second, there could be something here. So in the very beginning, I posted 3 times a day, once in the morning, once in the afternoon, and once in the evening. Now, my TikTok analytics still show that posting in the afternoon and in the evening is really great, and I do my best to post 3 times a day, but sometimes that can be a little crazy because, I mean, life's a little crazy, you know what I'm saying? So that's the posting strategy I try to stick to 3 times a day, and I only post about digital marketing and sprinkles of my dogs. 10 out of 10 think that you should get into TikTok. If you are a TikToker, I don't even know if that's a word, but if you are a TikToker, then comment your TikTok username below so we can find each other and engage with each other and support each other. And I kindly ask yet again that you subscribe to my channel so when I upload new material all about local business marketing, you'll be the first to know. And by the way, I have a Facebook group for local business owners. It's called Local Business Owners Unite, and it is a great way to meet local business owners and to collaborate and to network and connect with local business owners all throughout the United States. So thanks again for watching this video, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.